Hello everyone and welcome to Carmen's DIY Crafts. Today I'll show you step by step how to make a beautiful giant crepe paper flower. This is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. You will need 3 rolls of crepe paper, floral wires gauge 20 and 24, templates for our petals. Let's start cutting our petals using a template. Place your template on the crepe paper and cut carefully around it. Make sure you cut along the grain of the crepe paper. This helps the petals curve naturally. And don't worry about making them perfect. Slight variations actually make your flower look more realistic. Take note of the number of petals needed. After cutting the petals, attach the floral wire to each petal. This will give your petals structure while keeping them flexible for shaping. To make your flower look fuller, we'll use a double layer petal technique. So we have here 2 identical petals for each piece. First, attach the floral wires on the petal, then stack the other petal. You can align them perfectly or slightly offset them for a more natural look. Don't glue the top edges so the petal stays soft and flexible. Carefully curl the edges slightly using your fingers. Repeat the same steps for the largest petals. Now let's create the center of our giant crepe paper flower. First, we'll need a styro ball and a piece of wire. Insert the wire into the center of the styro ball, then secure it with hot glue to keep it in place. Next, take a green crepe paper and carefully cover the entire styro ball. This will serve as the base, so make sure it's nicely wrapped. Once done, set it aside for a moment. Now grab a yellow crepe paper and cut it into thin strips. Attach these strips all around the styro ball. And there you have it, your flower center is ready. Now we bring everything together. Start attaching the petals around the flower center one layer at a time. Begin with the smaller petals, then gradually add larger ones as you build outward. Take your time here, this is where your flower really comes to life. So far, this is how it looks like with all the small petals attached. Last step is to cover the wires with floral tape or masking tape. Adjust and bend each petal to create a natural blooming effect. And that's it. That's how you create a giant crepe paper flower from start to finish. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.